InSitu is a wireless mass lecture teaching and learning communication system implemented by utilizing students' mobile devices' network capabilities. InSitu is developed at the MIT department of the University of Jyväskylä, Finland. The problem, especially with auditorium-type educational settings, is that they constrain teacher-learner as well as learner-learner interaction and negatively affect a lecturer's ability to sense and adjust teaching to the learning processes of the students. This lack of interactivity beyond its general educational significance is particularly regrettable because students at the academic level would possess the maturity to constructively influence lecture evolvement. In InSitu, a critical part of the technical infrastructure is brought to the lectures by the students themselves, meaning their own mobile phones and/or notebooks. This poses no obstacle in a mobile culture such as the one in Finland and many other industrialized nations. And the solution has many important benefits, among which are the key requisites of low cost, distributed maintenance, and user involvement. At the beginning of an InSitu lesson, the students connect to the system simply by logging in with their terminals. A small client application program needs to be downloaded when using InSitu for the very first time. The teacher can monitor the logon process on his or her computer and has therefore an attendance list available. Let's take a look at InSitu's architecture. InSitu consists of three main parts. At its core lies a server-client architecture supplemented by a projector component. First up is the video projector with the recording PC, which is responsible for displaying the InSitu interaction to the audience. Next is the teacher's application, the system server, which handles communication between the teacher and the students and processes the data. Finally, there are the students using their own mobile phones or notebooks as InSitu clients. InSitu currently allows for two main connectivity solutions. TCP/IP-based connection through GPRS or wireless local area network is currently the favorable solution. Alternatively, InSitu allows for Bluetooth connection, which is more suitable for smaller classrooms. All of these architecture components should be readily available in an ordinary university lecture facility. And although server and projector are logically different elements, they can also run on a single machine. Nevertheless, this has some usability implications. Indeed, the lecturer may want to examine the results or answers to the questions without displaying all of this immediately to the audience. Hence, it is advisable to have two separate PCs or one with two displays, as this awards the teacher more flexibility and opportunities for supervision and regulatory actions during the instruction process. The most common utilization of InSitu is for multiple choice type of question-answer interaction. Hereby, the teacher sends out priorly or ad hoc prepared questions to the students, which are instantly presented on their terminals for answering. There is typically a time limit for answering the questions, which is displayed to the students as a countdown bar. In the teacher application, the lecturer can follow the answering progression in real time. When appropriate, the teacher may then show the answer distribution to the audience and discuss the topics. InSitu evaluation has confirmed that students find this practice very stimulating and gratifying. InSitu offers a very low effort, low exposure opportunity for participation. Some students find it encouraging to see that they are not alone with their opinions. Others feel inclined to debate their views with those that disagree. The teacher can harness this activity and student involvement and exploit InSitu for diagnostic purposes. From students' perspective, developing InSitu into a personal learning assistant is a key future aspiration. Because the system is developed on open source basis and students actively invited to test and evaluate the system, the doors for participative design are wide open. We are convinced that InSitu can positively contribute to the development of new teaching and learning models at different levels of education.